Question 2, from a fire tower 224 feet above ground level in the Sasquatch National Forest, a ranger spots a fire off in the distance. The angle of depression from the ranger to the fire is 2.8 degrees. How far away is the base of the tower is the fire? How far from the base of the tower is the fire? Assume the ground is flat. Okay, so remember, first step on all of these, we're talking right triangles in this section. Everything's circled around a right triangle. So draw your right triangle, and then let's figure out where everything from our story problem goes on our triangle. So we have a fire tower that's above ground level. I'm assuming this is the level ground. I should have done a better job making it level and completely flat. So here's our fire tower. I'm not an artist, so even if you label, that's fine. And it's 224 feet above the ground. So the angle of depression from the ranger, so up here at the very top of our tower is a person. And he's looking down to a fire. Okay. And all the way down there, the angle of depression is also the angle of elevation. So the angle of depression is this, it's 2.8, but because they're alternate interior angles, this is also 2.8. How far away from the base of the tower is the fire? So we are trying to find the distance all the way to the fire. Assume the ground is flat. Mine's not very flat, but assume it is. And we're solving. So this is the same like our last one. This is from the first unit, but now it's a word problem. So we know the opposite side, and we're trying to find the adjacent. So are we going to use sine, cosine, or tangent? Tangent of our angle, which is 2.8 degrees, equals opposite over adjacent. And now we solve for x. So I'm going to times both sides by x. That gets rid of my fraction, but x isn't by itself yet, so I have to divide both sides by tangent of 2.8. And that's what goes in the calculator. So 224 divided by tangent of 2.8 degrees. So our fire is a long ways away, 4,580 feet. It says round to one decimal place, but it was 0. So I could have added 0.0, it wouldn't have changed anything. That is a much better picture than mine, but that's okay. Same answer.